Hey everyone, you know the advice you always hear? Save money, follow your passion, network, network, network. Good stuff, sure. But today we're digging deeper. We're looking for the wisdom whispered in the shadows, the brutal, counterintuitive truths that most people won't share. Advice number one, you should quit more often. Wait, what? We're taught that quitting is failure, but that's a half-truth. Persisting in the wrong thing, the wrong job, the wrong relationship, the wrong business model is actually the real failure. The vast majority of people stay in situations they hate because of the sunk cost fallacy. They've invested time, so they feel obligated to stay miserable. True strategic thinking is knowing when to cut your losses and redeploy your resources. Quitting opens the door to the right thing. Advice number two, stop chasing perfect. Aim for good enough. Our culture is obsessed with optimization and finding the absolute best version of everything. The perfect morning routine, the perfect partner, the perfect investment. This relentless pursuit of perfection is a guaranteed recipe for anxiety and inaction. What if you just made a good enough decision? A job that pays the bills and doesn't drain your soul? An apartment you like instead of love? This frees up your mental energy and time to focus on the one or two things that truly deserve your maximum effort. Good enough is often better than waiting for perfect. Advice number three, you need to fail, not just tolerate failure, but actually seek it out. This goes beyond the cliche of learning from mistakes. Most people try to avoid any risk of failure, which means they're only trying things they're already good at. If you aren't failing occasionally, you are playing far too small a game. You're limiting your potential. Failure is simply the price of admission for genuine growth. You should actively try to create small, manageable failures today so you don't encounter one massive, catastrophic failure tomorrow. Advice number four, money can buy happiness, specifically the happiness of time and options. The romantic notion is that wealth doesn't matter, but that's a luxury belief often held by people who already have enough. For the rest of us, financial freedom equals control over your time. More money doesn't mean more yachts. It means you can leave a terrible boss, you can take a day off to care for a sick relative, and you can spend more of your life on activities you value. Focus on building a financial safety net not to buy things, but to buy freedom. Advice number five, don't let your identity become too rigid. Most people want to be known for something, the runner, the foodie, the tech wizard. But when you wrap your entire identity around a single thing, you become incredibly predictable, fragile, and resistant to change. The best life advice is to maintain curiosity and flexibility. Be a beginner often. If being a lawyer is your whole life, what happens when you get burned out? If your whole identity is tied to your physical appearance, what happens as you age? Stay open, stay adaptable, and refuse to be defined by just one thing. So there you have it. The advice no one else gives you because it forces you to confront hard truths. Quitting when necessary, accepting imperfection, embracing failure, prioritizing financial freedom, and refusing a rigid identity. Which piece of unpopular advice are you going to act on today? Let us know in the comments below. If this video gave you an uncomfortable truth, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that challenges the status quo. See you next time.